My name is ANJALI Badagar. I am from Belgaum district, Sureban. I completed my BE Computer Science in KLIT College with 8.7 CGPA. Once I completed my engineering, I joined PySpiders Rajajinagar to increase my skills, and I joined in the month of June. And the classes are started like SQL, Python, and apti class. Apti class was taken by Selva sir, and the SQL class was taken by Murali sir. That class was amazing. After that, the Python class was taken by Vijay sir. His teaching was very nice and clear, so that I'm expert in coding. After completing the Python, the WebTech and Django class was started. Django class was taken by the Alex sir. Along with these classes, the grooming and bootcamp has also started. Grooming is helps me to got placed in a good company, because in grooming they are teaching the company's requirement and company's based skills, and the presentation helps me to get placed in a good company, because in presentation I'm learning the communication skill as well as I'm learning stage courage to speak in front of people. So all of these things helps me to get placed. So thank you for PySpiders.